looks sick. Is it electric?
It's electric. You wanna race me?
Alright, how much wanna bet though?
I'm gonna put $100 on this. Ready?
Ready, set, go.
Yo, you got him. Hey, what's up everybody? Abbas here from Golden Motor. So I saw this antique horse bike, 100-year-old. I painted a little bit, refurbished a little bit. This thing actually turns with the saddle. So Golden Motor style, I'm gonna electrify this. I'm gonna put a 12-inch 350 watt motor right here, and I'm gonna top it off with a ruby over here for the eye. Let's go. So the first step, I'm gonna take this pedal powered wheel off. Who wants that? I already took off the nuts over here, so this is gone. And now I'm gonna put this beautiful electric powered hub on here. It's gonna go directly into the fork right here. So I got this beautiful Golden Motor Smart Pipe 5 350 watt motor installed over here. Just for safety, the kit comes with washers and nuts, but I'm gonna be putting a torque arm on there. Basically what it holds the axle to the fork, and it's recommended for any hub motor you put on there. So I'm gonna do that right now. So every Golden Motor external hub kit comes with these components right here. So this is the controller right here. And by the way, this is an external controller, so you can use it with any hub motor. It comes with a pair of brakes. It comes with this 2-button switch, which is, this is for horn, this is for cruise control. You have an option of getting a thumb throttle or a twist throttle. And the wires are all labeled over here. So I'm gonna do all the wiring over here. If you're not interested in this step and you wanna go directly to the part where we go on the main road on this horse, you can forward that. But if you guys are interested, you can just pause over here and watch this video. So these wires are coming out of the motor. So this is the hall sensor plug right here. And these are the phase wires, the yellow, green, and blue. So it's color coded over here. So these three right here, yellow, blue, and green, you just, plug and play right here. And this is the hall sensor too, so pretty easy to do that. Okay, so I have this plugged in right here. These two plugs, this is the red and black. This goes in the red and black with the battery. So this is battery cables. Over here, all these are labeled. So I want to look for the brake one. So this black and white one with the purple plug, this is for brake. So this is where you would plug in the brake levers and line it up, and you hear that click. Make sure you hear that click. Okay, so next I'm going to hook up the 2-button switch right here. This is for the horn, the cruise control. By the way, this thing coming out of the control, this is the horn. So the green goes into this blue plug right here. There's only one blue plug, so that will go in the blue plug. That is for the cruise control, and the horn, the red, will go on the red. And make sure you hear that click. There you go. Okay, so now I'm going to hook up the throttle. So this one has 3 plugs. There's a black 3-pin plug, a 2-pin black plug, and a yellow 2-pin. It's labeled over here. The 2-pin black plug is for reverse. So the cool thing about this controller is it has a reverse function, but you have to put a plug over here, or you have to put a switch over here to make that active. So I'm not gonna plug in the 2-pin black one for reverse. So, eventually I might have reverse on the horsey. Let's see. For this one, the yellow 2-pin to yellow pin, there's only one yellow pin. So you hook that up. And then there's only one 3-pin, and it's labeled throttle over here too. So 3-pin to 3-pin. And that's it. That's all the plugs you're gonna need. So that's all the wiring for this external build. And now let's on with the other part of the build. So this is where I'm thinking of putting the battery. So the battery cradle will go right here, and the battery would just slip on like so. Yeah, that would look good. Usually on normal bikes, there's a bottle holder bolts, but I'm gonna be using a triple bob. So basically it mounts over here, and then you can mount the cradle to it, and the battery will go nice and snug over here. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, guys, this bike is done. I told you guys, man, Golden Motor, we can electrify anything. I haven't tried this. I had to get my GoPro out for this one. Let me put that on record. I'm gonna take it out on the main road. Hey, Momo, if anything happens to me, just let my family know I love them, okay?
I got you, bro. I got you.
All right, let's see.
Let's see what this thing can do, you know?
On,
Don't crash
good.
into
All
it.
right.
Remember, it has coaster brakes.
Oh, yeah, okay. I got you. Oh, yo. We got power. Let me try to break it. Oh, we got brake. All right, we're good to go. Hi.
It's probably one of the goofiest builds we've ever done.
Oh, this is so cool. E-bikers.
It's not a drift track, man.
Make sure you follow traffic signs. Stop at the stop signs.
Forgot there's a stop sign.
Signal coming up. Oh, I'm gonna get so many looks at this. It's gonna be so funny. Oh, this is actually really fun. I gotta take this home. My daughter's gonna love this bike too. It rides really smoothly. All right, let's see how good these coaster brakes are. Oh.
That thing is so unsturdy, man.
I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of waves looks on this one. All right, let's turn.
Here we go. Hold the lasso.
It works. Turning works. No funny reactions yet on this, but I thought I'd get more funny reactions. Oh, there's a cop right there. I don't know if he's gonna appreciate this. Yeah, maybe I should go into a street. Man, I'm getting up to like 11 miles per hour on this. One honk.
Oh,
hey, how's it going? He didn't appreciate that.
yo, move on the side.
Another stop sign. Whoa! What's up, fellas? How do you like it? You guys are on camera. Yeah, we're YouTubing. What's your first reaction? What do you think?
It looks sick. Is it electric?
It's electric. You wanna race me?
Alright, how much want to bet though?
I'm gonna put $100 on this. Ready?
Ready, set, go.
Yo, you got him. Oh, shoot.
Is that it for the horse bike? Is that it for the e-Chariot?
No,
What's going on?
no, it's not that. It's not. It's not that. Very good. Very good. All right, it's still in business. Had a little bit of crash. No biggie. It's still in business. Oh, this is so much fun. I just want to ride in the streets like this. Summer's up. Yeah, I gotta do something about the brakes. That coaster brakes ain't gonna work. Oh man, traffic stopping. This is so funny. Are you guys watching how they're recording me? It's on a tandem. You guys are coming on the GoPro. Full throttle.
Look at the horse's hair just like swifting in the wind, you know?
Yeah, it feels, man, I really want to ride that. Oh, that would be a nice video. Get a real horse and then ride this together. Both of us. Or a pony.
Race a real horse.
Race a real horse. Hey guys, what should we call this?
There's a car behind
Let us know in the comments. We got 2 suggestions. E-Chariot. 3 suggestions. E-Spartacus,
E-Pegasus.
E-Pegasus, E-Chariot, and 1 horsepower. All right, stop sign. Let's take a right. It's a tough crowd, man. Nobody's waving at me. I feel like I should get more waves with this bike. Oh, yo. All right, we gotta take it to the shop, fix this. Oh, there's a wave. I got a wave. Oh. All right, let's see the boys' reaction. Oh, there's some people here. Let's see their reaction on this.